We have a typical gutter run right here. This is beautiful. This is textbook. Look how high they are. Look at how high they started this. The French drain man's not quite a 90. Look at that fitting that's sticking up right here. They had to tape this. We needed a full riser. You can see that. The gutters were high here. The downspouts came down and right away went into some fittings. This is a beautiful example of starting as high as you can, just barely covering the French drain man's not quite a 90 with some dirt so that you can get slope to your catch basin. That's a beautiful example. That's textbook. It don't get any better than that. The shingle gravel is going to find its way right into the catch basin. Now, if the homeowner wants to, obviously check this for cleaning leaves. But this pops right out. You can see that. You can stick a garden hose in there, run a garden hose through there until you see it right here in the catch basin. That way you know you chased any shingle gravel that might be lying in this 2 feet, 3 feet of pipe. I like these catch basins to be about 3 feet from the house because we do drill really small holes in them. You can see right here, this has really small holes in it. It's got guides on the bottom, 6 guides on the bottom. Don't drill too big of holes. Now, when you take these out, notice that the top 2 lugs are big. This bottom lug is small. That's how it goes in. It's keyed so that you put it in the right way. Quick, easy access, whether you have to run a camera through your system, depending on how you build it, whether you want to run a garden hose through your system, super easy access. Again, you got your 2 large lugs up top, small lug on bottom. That's how you want to go inside. Quick, easy. I got really big hands too, so if you have smaller hands, it's even easier. Quick, fast, easy. Everything we design is for speed and efficiency. Guys did a beautiful job. This catch basin's in the grass. They went with a green, really dark forest green color. I love it. We went solid so mosquitoes don't breed inside the catch basin. Just pop this with a screwdriver. Go ahead and clean that out for peace of mind. Again, the blue that you see is copper sulfate. It's to push the roots away. You can see the roots. Look at these roots. Where are those roots coming from? Like I always tell you, roots come from 50 feet away. That tree is 20 feet away. It's pushing roots over here. We don't want it to be a problem. We try to build everything to last a lifetime. We want the homeowner to know in their lifetime this system is going to serve them well. This is what the inside of the French drain man's not quite a 90 looks like. It's ramped. The water comes shooting out of here, very efficient. Extremely high flow rate. When you got it installed right, this part will be nose down a little bit because it's not quite a 90, guys. It's perfect. So if you can take your downspout run to where the grade breaks, this is already on a little bit of an angle. Beautiful example of an underground buried downspout system done right. Really clean job. Really nice work by this team. When you want it done right the first time, give French Drain Man a call. We're based in Michigan. Our number is 248-505-3065. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,